Do you know the #1 thing that people regret at the end of their lives? It might surprise you. It's not the things that they did do, but instead it's the things that they didn't do. It's the goals they never tried, the potential they never reached, and the dreams they never lived. You see, people are afraid of their own dreams. They fear success. So they keep themselves busy living their lives based on everyone else's expectations of them. And they find themselves in unfulfilling careers, lifestyle, and relationships. And in today's society, social media is a major contributor to this. People spend their time comparing their lives to people they don't even know, which leads them to feel like they're not enough. Not thin enough, not pretty enough, not rich enough, not cool enough, not whatever enough. And then day by day, their dreams and aspirations get smaller and smaller and smaller, until one day they realize that they never became who they were born to be. And I'm here to tell you that it's not too late. As long as your heart's still beating, which I suspect it is, you still have time. It's totally normal to feel this way at different stages in your life, and you are not alone. Over the past few years, it's helped hundreds of people just like you make major transformations in their lives. And it's now going online in a course called YuSchool.
I think Tonia's just a really genuine individual, and you see that come through when she teaches, and she really wants her students to walk away having gotten value out of it.
Ever since I took YUOLOGY, I've noticed that I've been more confident and I am able to speak up for myself a lot more. We've had better communication and it's helped our relationship tremendously.
It creates a space and an environment and community where you get to know other women who are really focusing on themselves, which is so powerful because you need that community.
It includes professionally produced videos, a self-study workbook, meditations, visualizations, and a supportive community. Now the question is, will you stay stuck and risk that dreadful feeling of regret? Or will you finally step into the world as the bold boss you were born to be? The choice is yours. I hope to see you in YuSchool, and remember, success starts the moment you choose to be you.